इंजीनियरिंग से रिलेटेड छोटी बड़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए सब्सक्राइब करिए हमें।
Hi and welcome to Student Kabri. This is Arshi Khan. Another video where I'm going to review an institution which is known as IIT Bombay. Though it stands not on the first position when it comes to NIR ranking, but when it comes to students' preference for BTech colleges, it always stands first due to its position. So in this video, we're going to cover each and every single aspect on different parameters about this institution. So let's get started. So if I talk about info about this institution, so it is AICTE approved, UGC accredited. It was established in the year 1958. That means, it's been more than 50-60 years since this college was established. It's an autonomous university located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Apart from this, if I talk about this particular institution, every single aspirant, who prepare for JEE Mains or advanced, dream to get into IIT Bombay because of its startup culture, and not just startup culture, its placements also. So we'll be covering that in the video, but before that, let's discuss what all courses offered by IIT Bombay. So it offers various courses which includes BTech, MTech, integrated courses which includes BTech plus MTech, PhD level courses. You'll find MSc and Masters of Design as well. But this college is known for its BTech courses, but this college is more known for its BTech courses which it offers in various branches, includes chemical engineering, civil engineering, aerospace engineering, computer science engineering, electric engineering, engineering physics, mechanical engineering, metallurgical and material engineering. One more thing I want to add is that we have created this video in Hindi also, link in the description box, so you can go and check out that video in Hindi as well for your convenience. If I talk about the fee structure will be somewhere around 2 to 2.5 lakh rupees yearly. The fee structure do fluctuate, so you can once cross-check on official website. Now, if I talk about, the other courses offered by, IIT Bombay, it includes MBA, which it offers in finance, human resource, accounting and operations. Apart from this, if you talk about integrated courses, it offers in various branches, includes electrical, mechanical, environmental engineering and management, energy science engineering, engineering physics, metallurgical and material science, mechanical engineering plus computer integrated manufacturing and many more. Apart from this, if I talk about other courses, you can do Bachelor of Science in Chemistry and Economics, and not just this, it offers Bachelor of Design also and Management Development Program also. So these are the courses offered by IIT Bombay to their students, but still we'll be specifically covering its BTech department with complete information. So now we'll be going through eligibility criteria and admission process. So if I talk about, you want to get admission into BTech, it's very difficult to get into this particular college because you need to have minimum 75 percentile in 12th, and apart from this, you need to go through JEE Mains and Advanced. Based on your advanced rank, you will participate in JOSA counseling, and through JOSA counseling, you can get into this college. One more thing I really want to add in this video, see, you're appearing for the very first time when it comes to JOSA counseling. It has various rounds, various process, upgrade process, branch change process. So a lot of times students face problem and they do a lot of mistakes, and just one mistake can keep you, outside the counseling process also. So you need to make this thing sure that, follow complete counseling process, have full information. We'll be making videos on that. So for that, you can stay tuned to Student Kabri. And also, if you don't want to experiment with the counseling process, you can even book analytical counselor. You must have questioned what is analytical counselor. Analytical counselor are those who do have experience of more than 5 years when it comes to counseling. They analyze your rank, and based on your rank, they'll help you in terms of getting your dream college, dream branch and dream city as well. So in this video, we'll also cover, what is the cutoff if we talk about IIT Bombay. So I'll give you a rough idea when it comes to computer science, because, when it comes to 2019, 20, even 18, the most desired branch is computer science. So we'll discuss what is the sort of cutoff when it comes to IIT Bombay. So if I talk about the opening rank, it was open on rank 1. The student who scored rank 1 get into IIT Bombay last year for computer science, and it closed on 63 rank. If you are under female category from rank 10 to 300 rank, you can get into this college. If I talk about less desired branch, which includes engineering physics, so you can get it in from 340 rank rank to 1200. If I talk about electrical engineering, from 71th rank to 290 rank, till this rank you can get into IIT Bombay. If I talk about chemical engineering branch, which is less desired by every single student, you can get it in IIT Bombay from 440 rank to 1600 rank approximately. So this, I gave you a rough idea about IIT Bombay when it comes to opening and closing rank, but it's not like that, you know. You cannot say that, you know, the last year opening rank and closing rank was 1800 or 1900. So this year it will go on the same way. It's not like that. So you cannot say that, you know, if it's computer science closed on 63 rank last year, this year the scenario will be same. So you need to keep this thing in your mind for sure, because this is also something which students keeps in their mind, and based on that they do counseling process. Now we'll talk about placement, which plays a very important role when it comes to getting into any college. And I think if I talk about IIT Bombay, apart from placements, a very important thing, what IIT Bombay stands for, it's startup culture, it's entrepreneurship culture. A lot of startups came out of IIT Bombay who even got placement. And if I talk about the alumni network of IIT Bombay, the Chief Minister of Goa is also one of the alumni of IIT Bombay. So we'll discuss, what are the placement stats of IIT Bombay. So if I talk about the average placement, it is somewhere around 20 lakh rupees, whereas if I talk about highest domestic package, it was 62 lakh rupees. And on the other hand, if you talk about international package offered to student, that was 1 crore 16 lakh rupees by Microsoft. So number of companies participated in 2019, 265. Number of offers offered to students is 1319. Then apart from it, I've told you the average package, the highest package, top recruiting companies is Microsoft. Apart from this, many more companies, either you talk about Google, either you talk about Goldman Sachs, Uber, a lot of more companies come every single year to place students at IIT Bombay. Not just this, they have hostel facilities that are very cool and sorted. And not just this, the events, the seminars and everything happened in IIT Bombay is at next level. And I'll just give you a rough idea that how it is next level, because they do a hell number of investment when it comes to these seminars and workshops. So I'll give you a rough idea what they have submitted. They have invested around 19 crore 48 lakh rupees in library only in the year 2018-19. When it comes to new equipments for laboratory, they have invested 120 crore rupees. And if I talk about engineering workshop, see why I'm telling you this, because this is very important. Why these colleges are prestigious institutes in India, because they are rendering quality education. Not just quality education, their placements, their events and everything is like next level, and you can just understand it by their engineering workshop. It's like somewhere around 3 lakh rupees for engineering workshop. If I talk about salaries given to the faculties, it's 241 crore rupees. And if I talk about seminars, conference, workshop, for which IIT Bombay is known, they invest 2 crore 52 lakh rupees for their seminar. So this was a video of IIT Bombay. I hope you like this video. If yes, let me know in the comment section. And one more thing, if you're left out with any question, do put in comment section box. And if you want me to review any other college, you can just suggest me in the comment section box. Apart from it, like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to stay tuned with the channel for videos on your favorite colleges, courses and exam. Till then, bye bye.
स्टूडेंट खबरें, एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड छोटी बड़ी इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए सब्सक्राइब करिए हमें, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस बेल आइकॉन.